YouTubers. So today I will learn a little bit of welding, and I guess throughout the week I'll learn a little bit more, but welding shop.
Am I good at that point?
This is a plasma cutter.
Okay. Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. No, you guys have
So you cut with that? That thing cuts?
Yeah.
You just...
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like butter.
And make sure...
That looks
Little
fun.
tiny baby.
No,
Lightsaber.
I don't want I'm trying to come all the way over here. None of us are home.
Plasma cutter.
And her and I are going to yoga, no matter what.
Whoa, do it again, do it again.
I don't know if I should.
Okay, love you so much.
Alright, we're gonna get in trouble.
Yay,
Are you excited?
I'm so excited to learn how to weld. Woo woo!
Woo! Yeah, videos!
Tony's going to see Star Wars with his friend. So.
Oh, I want to go see it again. It was so good. I loved it. She doesn't like... I'm not gonna ruin it. I'm not gonna ruin it. But she doesn't want to see it, but I was like, it's so different. Like, you would love it. Like, it's so funny.
No, I want to see it.
You gotta see it.
I'm
It's
not.
like-
I don't like the old ones though.
Which old one?
Old ones or the Star Wars?
Like old.
This one's
wait,
kind of like
you know what?
so
I think
different.
I'm thinking Star Trek, which is just stupid. Okay.
Star Trek was awesome. It's just like
I love Star Wars. You never-
Star Wars is.
I'll watch the new one. I heard it was amazing. You didn't like it?
I like it. I've had a good packing before, you know?
Crazy.
Oh sweet Jesus, this is gonna suck.
That is heavy.
Very exciting.
Instagram stuff. Your Instagram create too, right?
Performance stuff. Sideshow. And I brought my swords. Excuse me. Swords. Totally gonna sharpen these motherfuckers up. So I can slice coconuts. I'm like, so I can slice coconuts. I just want some sharp swords so I can like slice the coconut, you know. Exciting. So is this your first time too, or?
Marie here at
Using it?
Welding. I'm gonna show
Using
you.
it.
It's badass.
Seen it.
I want to learn to weld so I can make
Yeah, it's
shit
pretty cool.
pop.
Gotcha. Awesome. I've always wanted to learn how to like do metal works and whatnot.
Right. It's fun.
Particularly just if I ever get back into LARPing, it'd be nice to have like a more of like a metal
Nerd.
armor. Yeah, I am. I admit to it.
It's called Create, right?
You're more of a fist
I think-
bumper.
Yeah, I just
Okay.
punch people. It's all cool.
What now?
I think he calls it Create, right?
Yes.
Yep, create.
Create. Fabrication.
CR
Something. CREE 8.
I said Create Welding, but that's good enough for now. I'm You probably don't want tagging a location though, right? Yeah. No. Would it? Well, I'll put at Create whatever your Instagram is. Do you have one for
What is your
shop?
Instagram?
Create.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's what I thought.
Number 8, Studios.
Studios.
The Create Studios.
So we see